Welcome back, everyone, to Word Wondering, and today we will be continuing our journey in Genesis chapter 10. Now, I have read this chapter, and there was one thing that actually caught my eye. This is the we're going to now explore the generation of Noah and his three sons. But you may ask, why has the Lord revealed this unto us, right? Have you ever had someone that say, you I'm going to tell you this now, but you may not be able to understand it until you get older. And this is what I'm thinking that this chapter is about. Let us continue.
Genesis chapter 10. Now these are the generations of the sons of Noah, Shem, Ham, and Japheth. And unto them were sons born after the flood. The sons of Japheth, Gomer and Magog, and Madai and Javan, and Tubal, and Meshech, and Tyrus. And the sons of Gomer, Ashkenaz, and Riphath, and Togarmah. And the sons of Javan, Elisha, and Tarshish, Kittim, and Dodanim. By these were the isles of the Gentiles divided in their land.
Now, wait a minute. This is the first time that we hear about Gentiles. If you guys know what Gentiles are, that is everyone that is not considered to be Jewish. Right? Let us continue.
Every one after his tongue, after their families, in their nations. And the sons of Ham, Cush, and Mizraim, and Phut, and Canaan. And the sons of Cush, Seba, and Havilah, and Sabta, and Raamah, and Sabteka. Another thing that I've noticed is said, everyone after his tongue. So they all had a different tongue, right? I guess they all spoke different languages at that time, or maybe like you have someone with an accent, but according to them tongues, they all had they own tongues, and you may ask, how did that become to be? We are journeying through the Holy Bible. Let us continue. And the sons of Raamah, Sheba, and Dedan. And Cush begat Nimrod. He began to be a mighty one in the earth. He was a mighty hunter before the Lord. Wherefore it is said, even as Nimrod the mighty hunter before the Lord. And the beginning of his kingdom was Babel and Erech, and Akkad and Calneh in the land of Shinar. Out of that land went forth Asher, and builded Nineveh, and the city of Rehoboth, and Calah. And Rezin between Nineveh and Calah, the same is a great city. And Mizraim begat Ludim, and Anamim, and Lehabim, and Naphtuhim. And Pathrusim and Casluhim, out of whom came Philistim and Caphtorim. And Canaan begat Sidon his firstborn, and Heth, and the Jebusite, and the Amorite, and the Girgasite, and the Hivite, and the Archite, and the Sinite, and the Ardavite, and the Zemarite, and the Hamathite, and afterward were the families of the Canaanites spread abroad. And the border of the Canaanites was from Sidon as thou comest to Gerar unto Gaza, as thou goest unto Sodom and Gomorrah, and Admah, and Zeboam, even unto Lasha. These are the sons of Ham after their families, after their tongues, in their countries, and in their nations. Unto Shem also, the father of all the children of Eber, the brother of Japheth the elder, even to him were children born. The children of Shem, Elam, and Asher, and Arphaxad, and Lud, and Aram. And the children of Aram, Uz, and Hul, and Gether, and Mash. And Arphaxad begat Selah, and Selah begat Eber. And unto Eber were born two sons. The name of one was Peleg, For in his days was the earth divided.
Now, wait a minute. Wait a minute. That's the one thing that actually caught my eye. In his day was the earth divided. I do really want to understand what it means when when it tells us that in his day the earth was divided. Was the earth whole? Just a complete, as you guys know now, that we have different continents. Uh, Canada, America, the United States of America. Then you have Africa. Then you have China. I mean, you have to take boats and planes. So when I look at that, the Earth was divided. I wonder if it was just a complete whole, and then it divided into these different little continents that we have today. I really don't know. Please let me know in the comments what you guys think this means. But anyway, let us continue.
And his brother's name was Joktan. And Joktan begat Almodad, and Sheleph, and Hazarmaveth, and Jerah, and Hadoram, and Uzal, and Diklah, and Obal, and Abimael, and Sheba, and Ophir, and Havilah, and Jobab. All these were the sons of Joktan. And their dwelling was from Mesha, as thou goest unto Sephar, a mount of the east. These are the sons of Shem, after their families, after their tongues, in their lands, after their nations. These are the families of the sons of Noah, after their generations, in their nations. And by these were the nations divided in the earth after the flood.
Now, we have come to the end of this chapter. I know for a fact I'm not going to be able to remember all these names in this generation. I do wonder why God has revealed this generation unto us. But let us continue reading, and we may find out the the answers that God is trying to the questions that we have. Thanks again for joining. Remember to treat others in the way you would like to be treated. And until next time, peace.